wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best wireless HDMI transmitters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the peerless HDSW HDI100 is great for gaming, featuring wireless USB connectivity between peripherals and any source devices. It's battery-powered, yet has virtually no lag, and its wired pass-through feature enables a hardwired connection to a second HD TV. It includes mounting hardware and can be set up in mere minutes, but it's not the most aesthetically pleasing. At number 8, the iogear digital kit supports wireless media streaming in Full HD and 5.1 channel digital audio from up to 100 feet away, even through walls. The transmitter is latency-free. Keeping wires out of sight, it's ideal for those who care about aesthetics and safety. It allows for the use of 2 TVs simultaneously and is equipped with a 64-bit Athlon 2650 processor. However, switching inputs takes a few seconds. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the dvdo Air 3C features an interference-free 60 GHz wireless signal, unaffected by microwaves and phones. Notably, it eschews a traditional AC power supply, getting its power from the HD TV instead. The kit's auto-aiming technology ensures a stable connection, always. It's compatible with HDMI switches, and the remote doesn't require a line of sight, but it may emit a high-frequency sound. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless HDMI transmitters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the actiontec mywirelesstv 2 allows for multi-room support with a transmission signal capable of going through standard walls. Weighing in at nearly 2 pounds, it is a little on the hefty side, but its ease of use is anything but a burden. This one can pair 4 receivers per transmitter and supports surround sound. However, it's not the most sturdily constructed. Moving up our list to number 5, the optoma WHD200 requires no more than a one-time 2-minute installation to get started. Meant for gamers and home theater enthusiasts alike, it offers completely uncompressed HD content. It works equally well with monitors, projectors, and standard HD TVs. It features a 100-foot wireless range, less than 1 millisecond of latency, and can transmit 3D video. At number 4, the Nyrius Aries Prime delivers crystal clear HD video and audio to TVs and projectors from a variety of devices. The transmitter is easy to set up and doesn't require a Wi-Fi connection. It provides true mirroring, so what you see on your HDMI source matches your TV. It's available with a 30 or 100-foot range, and the design caters for use with laptops. However, some people have suffered from reliability issues. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, not only is the monoprice Blackbird a little less expensive than the competition, it has a super small form factor, and it only takes a USB connection to power. This way it'll fit easily into your home theater setup without taking up too much space or an extra wall outlet. It operates at 60 GHz and offers Dolby True HD and DTS HD support. It can transmit dozens of feet within one room. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless HDMI transmitters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with an insane range of 660 feet, the JTEC Digital hdbitt T-Series takes away the need to choose between a WHDI or wireless HD option by combining stunning picture quality with endless reach. Compatible with all video formats, there are truly no strings attached. Comes with a 1-year warranty and supports remote control use. It's also available in a 1x2 configuration. And taking the top spot on our list, the iogear Matrix GWHDMS52 is the pricier cousin of their digital kit. This premium model features 4 HDMI inputs and an analog component input. While its significantly higher price may deter some, it's a good choice for those with numerous HDMI source devices. It works with HDMI-enabled sound bars and offers USB connectivity for computers. Plus, it'll stream uncompressed HD video. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless HDMI transmitters, or simply click beneath this video.